My group wanted to organize this event. We're polymer chemists. We make plastics in the lab. And as our research is turning to focus on the sustainability of the plastics that exist now and maybe generating new plastics that are more sustainable, we wanted to think about what we could do to help resolve some of the plastics that are out there in the environment right now. While science and research catches up with trying to make more sustainable plastics, I thought we should take an active opportunity to help clean up some of the plastics. It's really important to help the local ecosystem and keep the trash out of the animals' digestive tracts. And I think it's also nice for humans to be able to walk around these parks and enjoy it without having to see trash on the side.
I think science and education are really important for getting these efforts out across. I'm here because I took a class on climate change, and there I just learned sort of all the ways that humans are causing climate change to happen. And I think, maybe this doesn't have the same impact as dozens of corporations polluting the earth, but I think it's these small communal efforts that really make a difference in getting awareness and, taking responsibility for some of the things that we do as humans on this earth.
We are usually educated about the damage of our garbage, of our plastic trash to the environment, but we don't really actually understand that. Right? By participating in such an activity, I think that kind of strengthen our understanding of those things we did to the environment, to nature. And I think that's the meaning of the Earth Day.
I think it's really important to educate people about these issues, because I think the more people are aware of how we're affecting our environment in negative ways, the more motivated they'll be to help. I know I kind of came here today partially because of a class I took from Professor McNeil that really taught me about humans' impact on the environment. And I thought I knew about all the ways that we were doing it, but I just learned a whole nother level. And that really, I feel like the more you know about how we're impacting the environment, the more motivated you are to help protect it.
There is a significant damage to environment by humans, and there is enough evidence for that, especially global warming. Because person who is pursuing science, it's my responsibility to try my level best to educate people and create awareness about this.
It's so easy to trash things, like just to throw a piece of paper that you think oh, it's not a big deal, or one wrapper because you don't have pockets to put it in. It's oh, it's not going to make a huge deal to do that, but that accumulates a lot. So if a little bit of effort to make trash, it's there, then a little bit of effort to just clean it up here and there is also nice. I never done it before, so I figured it would be nice to help out this way. And we collected so much trash that it's unbelievable. So we should do this more often. My bag is full, so maybe 5 pounds of trash. While I was picking up trash, I was just thinking about okay, it's a styrofoam. It's gonna take forever to disintegrate. Why is it gonna take forever? It's a polymers. I was thinking about these ways of why the trash is sticking here for so long. Why is it not, going away quick enough? So if we were to tell people that the little piece of paper, the little cigarette butts, or any piece of trash that they throw away is going to take years because of their composition, they may be able to understand better the need to clean it up.
So coming out to clean up our earth is definitely an extra step, but seeing how much garbage there was in this forestry area, it just really opened up my eyes into how much trash people just put everywhere. We only have one earth. This is our only planet. We don't get a second chance. So taking care of what we have and making sure that Huron River is clean and a safe place to live is really important to me. Scientists, we understand, how trash and other debris can affect the earth, how that can affect our sustainability and long-term existence on this planet. And so it's our responsibility as scientists to tell others who might be aware of this about the impact that we have on this earth and how we can reduce our emissions and make the earth livable for generations to come. Over the course of an hour, we collected over 370 pieces of trash. Some of our most memorable finds included broken glass bottles, a deer skull, a giant metal bucket, and many car parts such as tire rims and broken rubber pieces.